Migration. Migration is a way to move from one place to another in order to live and work. Movement of people from their home to another city, state, or country for a job, shelter, or some other reasons is called migration. This day and age, our country Philippines has a number of 107,428,805 people according to 2019's first month statistics. Most of our population is now facing numerous migrations due to countless issues.
Our group was assigned to have a survey relating to migration in Barangay Mulawin, and here is our 30 correspondents. As a survey, we have given the 30 correspondents 5 questions each, and here are their responses.
The first question is if their migration was voluntary or not. As you can see, the graph shows that most of them migrated voluntarily. The next graph is the reason of their migration. Half of our respondents chose these 5 reasons: financial issues, family problems, environment, peace and order, and economic. But the other half's reason was all because of settling down with their families and loved ones.
Next is their way of living after migration. Almost all of the respondents adjusted easily because they migrated internally, while the respondents who answered hard to cope with are those who migrated externally.
The respondents who migrated non-voluntarily was because of their environment. The said reason was their city is overpopulated, so they need to find another place to live.
When we asked the changes that they experienced after migrating, some of them chose workplace and environment because they somewhat find a new job in Orani, and their environment changes as well because it's less polluted here than their previous place. As seen on the graph, the most upvote are lifestyle and nothing has changed because almost all of our respondents migrated because they have settled down, so their lifestyle changed. Those who answered nothing has changed are those people who have the same lifestyle before they migrated.
The changes that affected them the most is the lifestyle and environment, because the respondents said that when they migrated there in Mulawin, their environment became more peaceful and their lifestyle changes because they settled down with their family.
Here are the objectives why we need to survey about migration. First, to know the common factor why people are migrating. To know the number of people migrating in a certain place. To know what reason affected them the most after migrating. To learn more about migration. To know their experiences and motives why they migrated so we can take a proper action and somehow resolve their said problems.
Conclusion. First, immigrants in Barangay Mulawin migrated there decades ago. Most of the residents originated in Mulawin authentically. Our group also concluded that their main reason of migrating was themselves settling down. The immigrants had no remorse migrating in Mulawin. Most of them adjusted easily.